Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something totally different. I got Mark with his 1999 Nissan GTR souped up over. Now when it comes to hypercars, I know my stuff. But when it comes to older, Japanese, modified, super rare cars, I have no idea, and those things are great investments. I'm hearing some of these cars go for crazy money. I think this car is about $700,000, and I think he's in it for a couple hundred grand. Not a bad investment, so let's go check it out. What the heck? Well, I can tell he packs a lot of horses underneath from the sound of the exhaust. I'm guessing he doesn't have a front left. Wait a minute. Is it right hand steering?
I think it's on the wrong side.
How you doing, Mark? Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Wow, I hear you got this, it's a crazy beast you got here, huh?
It is. It's pretty rare, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I'm hearing. How many horses?
This made 500 wheel only.
Only?
I mean,
it's a light car.
It's pretty heavy, actually. It's like 3,500 pounds.
You're kidding?
No.
Wow.
Really heavy.
Well, it sounds great.
Oh, thank
like
you.
The exhaust.
I appreciate it.
And I'm guessing you don't have a front left?
A front what?
Left.
No.
That's why you're staying in the cul-de-sac.
No, I can get up the driveway. There's no problem.
Oh, all right. Well, let's go for a spin. I'm gonna be the passenger because I don't know this car.
You want to drive it?
I don't know. Does it have a traction control?
No.
No, I'm comfortable. I mean, it can't be more difficult than Carrera GT.
No, that car is just racing like crazy.
Yeah. Then I think I'll do all right with this car. Okay, let's go.
I've never seen you in one of these cars.
This feels very awkward, sitting on the right-hand side.
All right.
Now, middle was hard. Yeah, give me some tutorials on your car.
So yeah, obviously it's low. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Hold on a second now. Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. I can sit like this.
All right, cool.
So this car doesn't make any power until 5,000 RPM. It has no torque.
You're joking.
Right now.
It's going to be interesting.
These cars have very long gears, and it's a stock motor right now. I have a crate motor from Japan just sitting in my warehouse. That motor is going to go in and it's going to change everything. But for right now, these cars came a little underpowered. Well, actually for 1999, it's a lot of power back then.
Are you kidding? Yeah,
a lot of power. But right in this specific setup with the single turbo, doesn't make any power until 5,000 RPM. It's very easy to control and handle. It doesn't get squirmy. It's fun.
Nice. All right, let's
You
do
driven
it.
on the right-hand side before?
No. First time.
Okay. Well, it's pretty simple.
All right, let's try it. And rest assured, I'm insured.
Oh, of course. It's no problem. I have insurance on this car too, so it's fine.
Wow. So I hear these cars are a great investment.
Yeah, this is my second one, and I got it for this car. I got it for $215, and I don't know. Right now, it's going for over $500-600. I mean, depends. I wouldn't sell this for under $7.
Well, congrats. See, he's admiring you. Hey, John.
What's this one?
It's a Nissan GTR 1999, 500 plus horsepower. We're gonna go drifting. No, I'm just kidding. All right, it's so awkward.
Yeah.
To be pushing it. All right. Let's go. No, I don't need to warm up those tires because Mark has done that for us.
Yeah, you're good.
I gotta pay attention. Second gear is over there. When you're using your left hand.
Yeah.
Oh wow, sounds awesome.
Oh yeah. When she opens up, she screams. Nice.
How am I doing? So you have a choice to go four-wheel drive or just rear-wheel drive, right?
Correct.
Very cool. Alright, we're at 4,000 RPM, getting there.
At about 6,000 RPM, the wastegates open up and she just screams. It's pretty nuts.
Great.
Oh yeah,
Oops,
the other
sorry.
side. That's common. The other side.
What? Forget it. I'm not
Don't
gonna
worry about it.
I can't even look at the road if I'm focusing on all the other reverse.
I know. launch it. You can do whatever you want. This car is bulletproof. Awesome.
Earplugs. Automatic version of this, right?
Nah, that would be boring.
Okay.
The second to third is the hardest shift. That's the only difference.
Well, it's the left hand thing that throws me off.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna have you drive because
Okay,
I want to see how this car can be driven.
Oh yeah, no problem. It's an experience on that side.
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm looking for a steering wheel.
I know.
Oh my God! What the heck you doing, man? I got 2 kids.
So do I.
Oh my God.
Don't worry.
Oh my God. Man, this is like a go-kart.
It is. It's fun, no? Little 500 horsepower, little rocket. It's fun.
Wow.
You want me to pull in the driveway?
Yeah, if you want to pull in the driveway behind our garage door that's open, I want to give you a tour of my toys too.
Oh, I'd love
I
that.
have a few crazy cars.
Oh yeah. I have a lot of rare, super rare parts from Japan. Like the way that I built this car was, I mean, people have been building these cars for 20 years.
Yeah.
So how do I make it unique?
Exactly. GTRs and Supras are like the top 2 Japanese fun cars that I...
And the way I build my cars is it has to be unique. I got to be the best in the class.
Yeah.
So I try to design it in a way where it's just crazy rare parts with like the green carbon mirrors, the green carbon wing, a bunch of stuff that kind of goes with it.
Really cool, and I love this paint. Oh my God.
Original paint.
What?
Original paint.
No way.
From Japan, 1999, original paint.
Wow.
Yeah, this is how it came.
And this is the 2, right?
The midnight purple too, yeah.
Man, I love that green carbon.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen paint last that long in this quality.
It's crazy. And the whole car is clear brought. I paint corrected it, but it's just amazing paint.
Wow. Can you look at under the hood?
Oh, absolutely.
So how much can you soup this up to? 700, 800 horsepower? Because I know Supras, they go over 1,000 horsepower.
These cars can go up to 2,000, so can Supras if you really want. You can put a billet block in there, but the sweet spot for these cars, in my opinion, is about 750. Right now, it's a little, as you can tell, there's no torque.
Yeah.
So you got to change a couple things, but it's just basically stock motor, single turbo right now. I mean, this car is just nostalgic to drive. You know, it's just fun. And
I experienced it. Oh my God.
Fun, right?
Really cool. Really cool.
Yeah.
So why is it called ARC?
ARC.
What does that stand for?
I don't know.
I know. Excuse me if I sound dumb, but I don't know anything about.
I don't know what it stands for.
Oh, really?
I don't. ARC is just brazing. ARC is just a very, very, very rare brand for all Japanese parts. It's just extremely rare.
So they're a Japanese company, obviously.
Correct. Yeah.
Right.
They're discontinued. So any rare parts I can get on here, like this part right here, is a one of one.
You kidding?
This piece right here is a one of one.
So you fabricated it?
No, this is from the company Mines.
Oh,
so by the way,
I see.
So this company is all Mines, and the green carbon options is very rare. They're all discontinued parts. But this was a one of one. I found it in like some Japan warehouse of some guy, and I begged him to let me sell it. And he sold it to me.
Good for you. It looks like you put a lot of sweat and tears in this car. How many years you've owned it?
This I've owned for about 1.5 years, and the only thing that's missing from the exterior is the green carbon front lip. But I ordered that 2.5 years ago, and it's almost here. So
must be lost at sea.
That's Japanese for you. They only work on one part.
Yeah.
They have like one guy, whenever the hell they want to work. They're like Italians. They just work whenever you want. But
dude, very cool. You've done amazing in 1.5 years from 215,000, potentially worth 600-700 grand. It's
from an investment wise, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's very tempting, I'm sure, to sell it. Looking at that kind of a dollar amount.
Not for me, maybe for some other people.
Yeah, I think you're married to this car.
I am.
Yeah.
I sold a lot of cars that I regret selling, and I don't think I'll ever sell any of my cars again.
Yeah, you and I both. I have a few on my list. I'm like, Why
yeah,
did I do
exactly.
it?
Why did I do it? I
Yeah.
didn't need the money. I just
Yeah,
did it.
you know, greed. I'm doubling my money. I don't even need the damn money.
Exactly.
But
Same here.
And then now I'm like, I could have doubled it again if I kept it.
Exactly.
Hey, Mark, pleasure meeting
Manny,
you.
Manny, it was really a pleasure.
Likewise,
honestly.
likewise. Stay safe. So I sold this for 40.7 million 2 years ago. So I made about close to $12 million. Residential investors work longer hours for lower returns compared to commercial real estate investors. Contrarian Academy helps residential investors successfully acquire their first commercial property in 6 months or less. There's a lot of pockets of opportunity where you can take great real estate that's located in great location and repurpose it. While one state, for example, Houston, that's heavily invested in oil and gas industry is experiencing a recession, you may have another state like California experiencing the economic boom. You don't really have to wait for a global economic recession to jump out and invest your money and buy real estate. Apply now by clicking the link below.